Welcome to the Jams YouTube channel, dedicated to BMW car enthusiasts. In this video, I will show you how to replace the front shock absorbers on a 2020 BMW i3. The shock absorbers had to be removed in order to replace the upper strut mounts, which were causing noise while steering. This is the car I will be working on. I will start by removing the front wheels. As you can see, the shock absorber is secured with 3 bolts at the top and 1 bolt at the bottom. First, I remove the anti-roll bar link from the shock absorber. I avoid using electric or pneumatic tools to prevent damaging the part. Using a pry bar, I carefully remove it from its position. Next, I remove the tie rod end, holding it counter to prevent it from spinning while loosening the nut. Then I disconnect the ABS sensor electrical connector. The brake caliper also needs to be removed. Now I remove the bolt that secures the shock absorber to the steering knuckle. Using a special spreading tool, I release the shock absorber from its mounting position. As you can see, it moves freely. Next, I loosen the upper mounting bolts. I push the shock absorber downward and carefully guide it past the edge of the front fender, then remove it completely. The shock absorber is mounted in a spring compressor. Pay close attention to the correct mounting orientation. I loosen the top retaining nut while holding the shock absorber shaft to prevent it from rotating. I remove the upper mount and the remaining parts of the dust boot. The dust boots I am installing are made by Sachs, part number 900, 470, 009. The upper strut mounts are genuine BMW parts, with part number 31, 30, 6, 896, 309. During installation, it is important to follow the alignment reference points. To center the shock absorber more easily, I use a 7mm Allen key. I then tighten the retaining nut while holding the shock absorber shaft to prevent rotation. The shock absorber is reinstalled in its working position. And all remaining components are installed in the reverse order of removal. After completing this repair, wheel alignment is not required. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back soon with more interesting videos. To make sure you don't miss more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.